Hey folks, it's Mohammed Rahim, Sales Director at Inaxsys. Welcome to another video of our exciting VMS software, ARKIV. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Today we're going to do a short video on creating and backing up your license file in ARKIV. There are a few reasons to do this. The first might be you might be switching from one server to another, replacing a machine, and so you need to do this. You might be upgrading from professional to enterprise, or you might be adding a feature that's in professional, that's an add-on feature. So it could be face search or similarity search, or you might be upgrading from version 4 to version 5. So there are a few reasons you might want to have to do this. The process is quite simple. You basically right-click. So you have your ARKIV icon, you right-click on it, you go to Activate Product. It's going to prompt you for a login. And you may have multiple servers. So what you want to do is select the server that you have and do that. You log in. Hit next. And it's going to bring up a secondary menu. You hit Advanced. Next, save license file. And then you simply put the name of the file that you want. I have a few already here, but you just name it, perhaps with the date. Hit save and finish. Once you have the file, you can then send the file to us, and we can add the upgrade features based on if it's an upgrade. Or you can move it to the server and activate it there if it's a switchover. But that is how you create and back up a license file in ARKIV. I hope you liked the video and hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, so there you have it. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe. Please feel free to leave your questions and comments below and let us know if there are any specific videos we can make. Also, please visit our website at inaxsys.com. We're happy to provide you with all of your security solutions. See you next time.